What's going on, guys? So I recently picked up a whiteboard so I could stay more organized, if you would say. So let's see what's on the agenda for today. Yes. Okay. Cool. So it sounds like we got a pretty complicated day ahead of ourselves. Happy with that, for the most part. Set the time too. Ready to rock and roll. Alright, so like we were talking about in the last video, we need to go 35 miles per hour for 1 minute, 60 miles per hour for 1 minute, and then first through fourth up to 4,000 RPMs. So I'm gonna put this bad boy back on my head. I'm gonna look stupid for a little bit, drive around and collect these logs. The tough thing about e-tuning is like you want to find the flattest amount of road because you don't want the deviations in how much load is going on the engine, and it's really hard around here because we're kind of in a spot where we don't have any flat roads. So like I'm going up a hill, down a hill, fucking everywhere. Dude, why do I sound like Santa's sled in the back of my car right now? What is this shit? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds it sounds like fucking jingle bells going off in the back of my car. I really should take everything out of this. What are you? Okay, we're gonna head back to the house real quick. This time around I got Phoenix back in the car. So he said he did not want to stay in the house. Got all the stuff out of the trunk, so it shouldn't be so Santa Clausy, at least not yet. Not quite to Christmas. I just gotta find somewhere to do these logs. We're just gonna try and take it up Meridian and hope. Is that a weird sound, dude? I know. Every time I make that sound, you're always like, "What the fuck is that?" Oh, come on. 35.4. I think I know. Okay, I think I know a place. I think we're good. Because this street's not going to work well. Hey, Honda Fit. Go faster than 20 miles an hour. Scratch your chin. You like when I scratch your chin? Phoenix is freaking out now because this is the coffee shop we always take him to. And he knows all the ladies at it. They all love him. I know I didn't go. I'm sorry. So there's a road up here that I think we can get the 35 on. This is like a scavenger hunt. Essentially, if you're e-tuning, it's like doing a scavenger hunt in your car, except it's like little Forza tasks that you're having to do and complete. First to second's questionable, and third to fourth is kind of stupid too. It could just be in the relearn process and everything, but it's hard to say. I rolled your window down. What do you, ooh, what? Yes, he's got a, I know, he's got a fantastic bald eagle shirt on, man. He's full of life and liberty right there. Why are you freaking out? Okay, we're gonna try it here. No, no, no! Left. Random detour. We're doing it here. Had to have been a minute. Okay, we're checking that one off. I guess we can try and get the 25% up to fourth. can't get you fourth, dude. Fourth is gonna be like 65 miles per hour. I'm either gonna be the slowest person driving onto the freeway at 25% throttle the whole time, or like, I don't even know. We're gonna have to get on a freeway. Oh yeah. Fourth gear. It looks like coming back should be a little easier now. Oh my god, dude. I think it's just every 5.8T's like valve body sucks. So the only thing I could see that would be sticking to cause first to second to suck. And my built 5.8T in the Outback does the same shit third to fourth. Because when I sent level 10 my transmission, I sent them my old valve body for them to modify because it was a send in for modification service at the time. Now I'm pretty sure, because they've had so many issues with that, now they only do brand new valve bodies. As far as I understand, the last time I looked at it. Because my built 5.8T is going to need a new valve body, and it's only got like 15,000 miles on it. But it's been f***ed up ever since it was modified, and it was messed up before too. So if you're looking to build your 5.8T or put like a shift kit in it or anything like that, that is a band-aid. Do not expect that to fix any shifting issues you had. By upping line pressures in the transmission and having it force things to shift harder and clamp harder, that's not going to help if you have an actual solenoid that's sticking. So if you've got shifting issues, replace the valve body. Don't try and fix that valve body. Unless you're like a transmission repair place and you can actually get the solenoids and you know how to take them off the valve body and internally clean it and do all the stuff that I have no idea how to do. But it looks like the other side of the freeway is not really too bad, so we might be able to get that. We might do another one trying to get the first through fourth to 4,000 going the other way. Okay. Lady, I swear to God, bro. You are kidding me. Get the out of my way. You're ruining this. You're ruining this. We have to get onto the freeway. Yeah, I'm gonna point my fingers. Yeah, boopity boopity. You fuck up my log. What are you doing? God! Hit her! Hit her! Stupid Audi. Guys, I need 60 miles per hour for a minute. That means I need you to off, you to off, nobody to brake, and just chill. Stupid Audi. Josh is getting the first through third till 4,000 because I thought we had it that time, and then Audi lady just came through and f***ed everything up. Last second, turn in front, f***ed everything up. We get this thing back home in one piece. Dude, I do like that sound. What are you doing? Stop! God! My face all the time, dude. Fucking lingerers, man. I'll at least get some fun noises on the way home. No, I won't. Traffic! Let this cool down a little bit. I'm gonna go inside, send this to Josh, and then probably just gonna check everything over real quick. I don't think we did terrible, but there's way too much traffic. So, what, are you upset? I rolled up your window? Did you want to say something? You look so annoyed. Why are you so annoyed? What's your problem? Woo! Alright guys, so I'm sitting down here editing this right now, and I came to the conclusion all of the logs that I did earlier today are useless. So, because they can't deviate at all. Like, they need to be, the more exact to what he needs they are, the better. And most of mine are not anywhere close. So now it's about 9:30. I'm going to go back out and I'm going to get some real logs where I'm actually driving 35 for a minute, 60 for a minute, and first through fourth, 25% throttle up to 4,000 RPM. This was a fun day wasted, but let's get this done so that we can proceed with the next steps of these. So I'm back in the car. I got Phoenix in the car still. Much later, it's 10 o'clock now, 10:15. So we're gonna try and do all these runs really quick, all at once, so we can get this thing knocked down. I deleted the old data logs, that way we'd have room on here. I think probably the easiest place to do all three of these is the freeway. I'll try and knock out the 35 on the way there, just because we shouldn't really have that many people on the road. Bro, mwah, you want a kiss? Mwah, I kiss you. Mwah, are you happy? Mwah. Okay, we're just gonna jump into it. Shift. Stop, bud. First through fourth, that took us up to really knock out the 60 right here too. Set cruise. I'm gonna say that's probably a minute. I'm a lot happier with that, except for the fact that when you have cruise on and the car's not like really taught what the hell it's doing, kind of bouncing around on the throttle a bit, which was not good. Let's get up to 35. I think with what we got just now, we're good. I did not like the fact that the 25% throttle was on an incline, but I don't know if that's a huge deal. Just took a lot more time than I was hoping. Okay, I'm just gonna drive home and then I'll get this stuff uploaded and I will meet you guys back at my house. All right guys, we're back at the house at this point. I got everything sent off to Josh. Driving around, if you're in like an urban area or anything like that, it's not fun trying to collect those logs and get that all figured out. But we did get pretty much everything as far as the whiteboard is concerned done today. Yeah, so in the next couple of videos, hopefully we'll be able to go out in the car and actually drive it once we get the revisions made. But for now, we're playing the waiting game and we're gonna see when we get all that done. And hopefully everything I got today actually works out, because if it doesn't, I get to go out and do it a third time. So on that note, I hope you guys liked the video. Like always, I will see you in the next one. See you later.